This evening we have covered at length what FII is and what it isn't, and why it's a dangerous title, because it's actually not a diagnosis. You don't need somebody to diagnose it. It's not like Munchausen syndrome by proxy or factitious disease is it imposed on another? Sorry, I can't remember the formal title, but the new version of Munchausen's. It's not that. FII is basically deemed a criteria of behaviours, a set of behaviours. So no diagnosis is necessary, which is why it's so easy to make the accusations. Now, tonight we've been talking about what it is, what it isn't, who tends to be at risk, where we see a pattern emerging. So within neurodivergence, or EDS is another one, or there's lots of other things, hypermobility, and Kathy's gone into this at length. But I think that the big bit for us was about why it happens and how we can prevent it happening, but also how we can manage the situation as parents and as professionals if we're in the middle of those accusations.